This is the continuation of our video because I cannot see under the sun. See, almost done. Okay, pork. It's nice. Yes, it's like a medium well only, not a well done. See, it's a little bit juicy, not burn, not dark, not charcoal flavor. See, it's very smooth. See the fire? No fire. All the woods is totally burned. No waste. See? So we put again another some ingredients. That okay because such like we put some oil. So there's a little bit juicy. Okay. Okay. Last spreading before it's done because the nice color. Wow. We taste it later. Couple of minutes after 2 times flipping. Okay. It's a well done style. Okay. Not burn. See? Yes. Wow. It's like you eating in the restaurant at Montana restaurant. I love it there. Every time we go there, I order a grill beef 6 ounce of beef size. Okay. The meat almost. So I'm preparing some rice, extra plates with extra sauce inside. I'm going to eating lunch outside beside my materials in my project. Okay, nice. Wow, I'm not wasting my time to here to cook this my authentic food. Oh, so for me, this is my service. One of my favorite place in the house, at the backyard. You know what I mean? We need to remove that so it did not become a smell or taste paper. Only the charcoal need. Or no problem, only reheat. Okay. Don't put at the bottom of the barbecue pork to avoid smell paper or smell something different, to avoid mixing some taste of the barbecue. Okay, it's authentic. Okay, with that I prepare a plate, a knife, and sauce for that. So couple of minutes, ready to eat. Okay, it's a medium well. Okay, pork barbecue. So it looks yummy. What if you taste it? Oh my golly. Like Goma said, Agoma said a video, the content of cooking, same like me habit. After you cooking, you taste it. Wow, that's the most important. You're happy and contented in your life. Even not busy, it's not problem. Okay, this is my authentic and unique barbecue style. A well done, medium well, not a well done, sorry. So it's ready to eat. A couple of minutes. Even the sun is rise. A little bit windy and cold. See, it's nice, eh? Yes, with the delicious food at authentic style. We buy some stock again later after some videos to vlog. Oh, there's a charcoal here. That's the most important. You have a pre-woods for barbecue. No need to buy at 7-Eleven for barbecue woods. I like the taste because there's a including extra flavor of the woods instead cooking in the big oven, or I'll be using sometimes the turbo blower, but I'm not using that because a 45 minutes grill inside the house, but I like here because that tastes so much tasty and yummy with the original style. Okay, so almost guys, so we're almost done. So I'm using my portable booster charge just to use only instead stuck in the house. Okay, so if you're lobat, continue videoing. You have three different port for USB. So even your lobat, you can use this. You can use that. Okay, you can use that anywhere, even your vehicle or somewhere. You charge if there's a lobat issue. Okay, so that's it, guys. Almost. See? Yes. Smell it first before taste it. Wow, guys. Okay, we try to sample. Take another one for sample these authentic dishes. Okay, yes. Starting here. Okay guys, continuing our videos just to taste it, our cooking. So yummy guys. Here we are. Almost bringing this in my work. So if I need, slice it. Okay. So this is guys the best how to cook a barbecue in your yard. You take everything. Okay. It's like a goma home. Okay. Guys, I recommend to you do this in your yard. The taste, it's totally inside the meat. Mm. Perfect. I need a preparation. Okay. Nice. Zero. Another one. So I prepare rice type. Then we take the other one. Another one, guys. I have 2 sets of my barbecue. This is the authentic food. Yes. Wow. It's good for lunch in the work, midnight snack, or breakfast, or something. Or out of town food. Instead, go to restaurant. Okay, all you have to do, guys, just subscribe and click the notification bell for new upcoming videos to come. Wanagan. So yummy, guys. The taste is inside. If you bite it and chew it. Wow. That's it, guys. Don't forget click the notification bell and subscribe for your upcoming new videos. Okay, so this is preparation. Okay, I like the little bit with pats. Yes. So yummy. My gali. Like Richard Gomez said. My gali. Okay. Okay guys. I forgot again the spoon. Plus iced tea. Wow. Amazing start. Okay guys. See you again for the next other videos. Just click the button and the notification bell and subscribe. That's it guys. See you once again. Okay. Let's eat joint. One more time. Mmm. Nothing.